How to create Gmail account in mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open any of the Google applications on your device. For me, I will open Gmail itself. Now, in order to create a new account, simply tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for add another account. So tap on the add another account option you see there, and now you will see the option for Google. So tap on the Google option you see there and then tap on the continue option you see there in the pop-up that appears. You will then be required to enter the email address, but since we are creating a new Gmail account, tap on the create account option you see there. Now, go ahead and choose if you are creating an account for your personal use or for work or business. I will choose the personal use option. Now, go ahead and start creating your account. Firstly, start by entering your first name followed by your last name and then tap on the next option you see there. You will then be required to enter your date of birth. So go ahead and enter your date of birth and then enter your gender. And once done, tap on the next option you see there. Google will then suggest you a few emails linked to your first name and your last name. You can simply tap on any of these options, or you can also tap on the create your own Gmail address option if you want to create your own Gmail address. I will select any of the options available here. Now tap on next again and you will then be required to choose a strong password for your account. So go ahead and choose a strong password for your account and then tap on next. And now if you want to add in your phone number, you can add it, or you can also simply tap on the skip option if you want to add it later on your account. And with this, as you can see, the account has been created. You can then tap on the next option you see there and then go ahead and choose your settings if you want, or you can simply tap on next itself if you don't want to make any changes for the time being. Finally, tap on the confirm option you see there at the bottom, and with this, you will be required to agree to the privacy and terms of Google. So tap on the I agree option you see there, and just like that, as you can see, the Gmail account has been created. So this was about how you can create Gmail account on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.